अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने ग्रीनलैंड पर कब्जे के प्लान को दुनिया के सामने सही ठहराया है। बुधवार को वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम को संबोधित करते हुए उन्होंने ग्रीनलैंड को लेकर कई बड़े बयान दिए हैं। आइए आपको ट्रंप के 5 बयान सुनाते हैं। उन्होंने ग्रीनलैंड को लेकर क्या कुछ कहा है। पहला बयान, ट्रंप ने कहा कि ग्रीनलैंड की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने की स्थिति में केवल अमेरिका ही है, यानी सिर्फ अमेरिका ही ग्रीनलैंड को सुरक्षा दे सकता है।
I have tremendous respect for both the people of Greenland and the people of Denmark. Tremendous respect. But every NATO ally has an obligation to be able to defend their own territory. And the fact is, no nation or group of nations is in any position to be able to secure Greenland other than the United States. We're a great power. Much greater than people even understand it.
दूसरा बयान, ट्रंप ने दावोस में अपने संबोधन के दौरान कहा कि ग्रीनलैंड उत्तरी अमेरिका का हिस्सा है।
We need it for strategic national security and international security. This enormous unsecured island is actually part of North America, on the northern frontier of the Western Hemisphere. That's our territory. It is therefore a core national security interest of the United States of America. And in fact, it's been our policy for hundreds of years to prevent outside threats from entering our hemisphere. And we've done it very successfully. We've never been stronger than we are now.
तीसरा बयान, ट्रंप ने ग्रीनलैंड को हासिल करने के लिए तुरंत बातचीत शुरू करने की मांग की है।
It's the United States alone that can protect this giant mass of land, this giant piece of ice, develop it and improve it and make it so that it's good for Europe and safe for Europe and good for us. And that's the reason I'm seeking immediate negotiations to once again discuss the acquisition of Greenland by the United States, just as we have acquired many other territories throughout our history, as many of the European nations have. They've acquired. There's nothing wrong with it.
चौथा बड़ा बयान, ट्रंप ने कहा कि वो ग्रीनलैंड को लेने के लिए बल का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे।
Probably won't get anything unless I decide to use excessive strength and force where we would be, frankly, unstoppable. But I won't do that. Okay? Now everyone's saying, oh, good. That's probably the biggest statement I made because people thought I would use force. I don't have to use force. I don't want to use force. I won't use force. All the United States is asking for is a place called Greenland where we already had it as a trustee, but respectfully returned it back to Denmark not long ago after we defeated the Germans, the Japanese, the Italians, and others in World War II. We gave it back to them.
पांचवा बयान, अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने कहा, मैं जो मांग रहा हूं वो सिर्फ बर्फ का एक टुकड़ा मात्र है।
But now what I'm asking for is a piece of ice, cold and poorly located, that can play a vital role in world peace and world protection. It's a very small ask compared to what we have given them for many, many decades. But the problem with NATO is that we'll be there for them 100%. But I'm not sure that they'd be there for us if we gave them the call. Gentlemen, we are being attacked. We're under attack by such and such a nation. I know them all very well. I'm not sure that they'd be there.
जैसा कि आपने सुना, तो ट्रंप अब खुलकर ग्रीनलैंड पर कब्जे की बात कर रहे हैं। वो कह रहे हैं कि यूरोप को ग्रीनलैंड को हमें दे देना चाहिए, हमें यानी अमेरिका को। इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। मेरा नाम वैभव है, आप देखते रहिए वन इंडिया।
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.